Alright, let's learn good form on this bad form exercise. A rack pull above the knee, done to stimulate trap growth, is done more like a mini squat than a traditional rack pull. A traditional rack pull is supposed to resemble the hip hinge in the top part of the deadlift, and this is much more like a mini squat or a leg press. You're trying to scoop underneath the bar to get a more vertical torso angle so you have less stress on your lower back, and that you can use a lot more muscle, your butt and your quadriceps now, because you have more knee flexion. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to budge 1,000 pounds on that bar like a traditional rack pull position.
1,005 pounds.
Come on! To be alive if you can't do deadlift.
Ever the showman.
So this is more of a traditional rack pull. It's just a hip hinge. There's very little knee flexion because it's just supposed to simulate the top of a deadlift. But don't do these to build your deadlift. And this is much more of a scooping motion. So you're getting underneath the bar, trying to get the bar much higher on your thighs, allowing more knee flexion and more quadricep use, but also just the pressure on your thighs is helping with your grip and helping you press with just not your hands but also your thighs to move it up. So this is just a different angle. So you're kind of scooping underneath the bar, trying to get it a little bit higher on your thighs before you start. I'm strapping up on the bar. If you're doing tons of weight, you won't be able to hold on to it even with straps, so wrap it around 2 and then 3 times if you can.
Regular rack pull right here. And you straighten up like a deadlift. Of the knee rack pull to stay more vertical upright. You dip a little bit and then go. So this is as tall as I can get. Dip a little bit, straighten the arms and then go.
Oh, hey everybody, Jason Blowhole here, just doing some mercenary stuff, as usual. It's getting to be that point of the week where we have to make our obligatory make fun of a fellow YouTuber video. So, due to popular request, we're going to be covering both of these rack pulls again. And as you can see, I am a trap expert. And what I say goes, non-negotiable. Just don't do these above the knee rack pulls. You're not going to get traps. You're not going to get cool guns and do cool mercenary assignments from Blackwater like I am this afternoon. And you're going to get injured. So let's proceed with the following video and see what this guy, Garage Gymnastics, has to say.